Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Turn on your cameras, please. First of all,
Okay, ma'am.
I can see two people. I had something to ask you. First of all, Amina,
Yeah.
are you doing the worksheet?
Which worksheet?
For you, special worksheet on division was given by Abhirami ma'am in mathematics.
In your lecture class,
One second, Label. 1 second. Amila, on mathematics, division
yeah.
has been assigned, like special worksheets on division. So you have
Or
to mathematics.
in mathematics?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And Alpha,
Morning, ma'am.
you have to, good morning. You have to join Shams from today onwards. Okay? Just don't forget. And yes, Faisal.
Ma'am, class hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Faisal.
mathematics, you said class do we need the parents in the class?
When are your parents free? Who's coming, Mama or Papa? When are they free? Can you tell me a time?
Okay.
After the first hour, second hour, Milan, I have to meet your parents as well. All the rest of the parents I met. Your lasers and Varia's mom, I have contacted. So, everyone turn on your camera first of all. I won't give attendance for close cameras. Yes, Amila.
Now you said the mathematics. My max ma'am give that mathematics.
Yes.
Then okay. Good
Yes.
morning. Mom is
Good
saying
morning.
I
Good morning.
can stay in the class.
Okay, how about after the first hour, can you ask her to come after first hour?
Mom said I
Laser?
have to go to the. Mom said I will go to the doctors.
After first hour?
I don't know. Wait, after this class, can go to the
One person at a time. Laser, I think I'll talk to your mama, okay? Yes, Darida.
I just talked to my mom. Maria, will you send me friend request?
Darida?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
please.
said long time ago. My dad is not in India.
That I know.
Then why are saying there's some people missing, like Johan is missing and Aishan is
It's not Zohan,
missing.
it's Joan.
Ishan is
Next
missing.
is Johan.
Rihan is not there.
Johan.
Yes, Haya. Haya has been waiting for a while. Yes, Haya.
Ma'am, uh, did I do the worksheet? I don't know.
Which worksheet, dear?
You told to Amila that you
That is assigned for Amila to improve her decision. So don't worry.
Maya.
Yes, Laser, you want to say something to
I
Haya?
don't remember. Yeah, I have the ladybug and canary with the editing mode. Editing mode. That's why my ladybug and canary always get wrong.
Okay, just one more thing. Milan?
But I didn't.
Laser.
You can view him.
I want to mute everyone, but it is not possible. So, Milan, are you coming on November 30th? Where are you right now? Are you there in Dubai? Where are you?
In the
Sorry?
in a room I'm sitting.
Not in Dubai. Like, are you in Dubai, UAE? Where are you? I'm in India, right? Abu Dhabi.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, will you be able to come for the meet?
Abu Dhabi to Dubai was late because my network in the laptop.
You have to work on your network. It is an online class. If network goes like this,
I did.
Okay. Barira?
Yeah, I
Yes.
just will
Ma'am, for
Music
Milan it will be ma'am
yeah.
for Milan the distance will be 139 kilometers.
139 kilometers. Let's see. How many of you are coming to sports day? Can you raise your hands? Number 30th. I just want a confirmation. Milan is coming. That's good. Haya is there. Haya is there. Barira is coming.
What is it? At school?
Sports day on November 30th. We have sports day, right?
Yeah, the running race, right? The running race.
Yes. Amila is there. Ishan?
You have to raise your hand. You have to raise your hand. That's where is the I'm not. I am not one.
Okay, let's do one thing. Okay? In the chat box, tell me where are you right now? Like whether you are in India, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Hi Sidra, good morning. So let's see who does it the fastest.
Stop
Let's see,
sharing.
let's see, let's see. Okay, Milan is in UAE. Okay. Al-Fatih is in India. Okay, that one I knew yesterday. What about others? Only two have put.
No.
Haya is in UAE.
I am in actually Abu Dhabi Lanes. Abu Dhabi Lane, but that is in UAE. That's why I went.
Sidra is in India, right? Yeah, that one I knew. Barira is in UAE. Ishan is in UAE. Ishan, you can come to the meet, right?
Yeah, I'm in Abu Dhabi.
Okay, that's good.
Nice, Ishan, let's go.
Amila, where are you? You have not typed Amila. Milan, okay. Who has not texted? Amila is in
And this is my
Saudi.
friend who passed away.
Okay, who has not put in chat box? One, two, three. Aishin is in Qatar. Okay, I was waiting for Aishin. Aishin, you won't be able to come?
Yes, she's
Okay.
literally in Qatar. Muhammad, you can stop presenting.
Yes, you can stop presenting. I got it.
But
So you will send
Milan
the
won't be
location
able to
to
come
Milan
and
No.
Ishan and Haya.
or in the
But
class.
see, there are so many of them are coming. Milan is coming, Haya is coming, Barira is coming, Amila is coming, Ishan is coming.
Amila is coming?
Amila is coming. She,
How?
she said she's coming.
Mom, no, I can't come. No, like in the Canva, like when the whole class ends, see, she can't. I am not coming to
Please,
school.
Milan, stop using Canva. Why you are using everyday Canva? It is not good for your eyes. You're spending so much time on
And
screen.
ma'am, can you please tell Lazel stop doing something to my Canva?
Lazy, what are you doing? Haya wants you to stop doing something.
Ma'am, can I say we stopped like last week ago. When is the sports day? When is the date?
Sports Day is on November 30. November 30.
Number
And
30?
November 30.
Ma'am, I am
If
not
I come to
sure. I will
UAE,
tell
I will
you.
be in Sharjah.
Who
So
is not sure?
So can I take a picture? I am not sure. I will tell you. Told she's not.
Okay.
But
I
zoom
just
in.
write it there.
Zoom in. Ma'am, I will tell you.
Alpha, you
And
need to stop presenting. Yes, Amila.
ma'am, I will tell you. Okay.
But you have to tell fast. One
I will
more
tell you.
thing. Hmm.
Tell
And
very fast.
okay, that would be
Oh,
great.
not fast.
Okay,
This is the first class.
thank you
Okay.
so much.
Is it
Shani
first?
ma'am is here. Shani ma'am,
Bye.
Ihan has not joined. If Ihan joins, could you ask him whether he will come for sports day? Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone.
Bye bye.
Next, next.
Very interesting.
Barira, yes, Barira.
Okay, can I take a picture since I don't know how to tell these kind of maps to my parents?
Okay,
Can I
picture of
take
what?
that map? It's a tour to our drive. Wait,
Okay,
you don't need to. You don't need the map, Barira. They know the way. I'm
maybe.
just gonna go on a bus. They
How
will.
about I put the location, not location name?
Yeah. Location in the chat box. Because where would you will put the location
This is the
in the classroom?
center.
Al
Al
Safa
Safa
Sports.
Sports Center, Dubai.
Sounds good?
Oh wait,
Yeah.
we're
Dubai?
moving. We're
It's in Dubai, yes.
moving from, ma'am. We're moving from here to Sharjah this Saturday.
I had to come on to Dubai.
So we're actually gonna be near Dubai.
You're not going to be in Dubai?
Not like that. We're gonna move from here to Sharjah, so that means we're gonna be a little bit near Dubai. So
So that is
we're
good, right?
Wow, the stadium is
1 hour.
huge. Ma'am, the
Okay,
stadium
that's
is
nice.
huge.
Yes,
Yeah.
fine. So I have to go. Mom is here and mom is excited for to teach you guys. Bye
Okay,
bye.
guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.